The rise of artificial intelligence has transformed the landscape of content creation, and YouTube is no exception. Whether you have an established channel or are starting fresh, leveraging AI tools can significantly enhance your monetization strategy. Understanding how to incorporate these technologies is key to unlocking your channel's potential for revenue. To begin, consider using AI-driven analytics tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These platforms provide insights into viewer engagement, keyword optimization, and content performance, allowing you to tailor your videos to what your audience craves. The intuitive interface makes these tools accessible to beginners, guiding them through data that helps improve video reach and monetization opportunities. Next, content creation can also benefit from AI. Tools like Lumen 5 allow you to transform blog posts or scripts into dynamic video content easily. By analyzing the best performing content in your niche, Lumen 5 offers suggestions on how to present information visually, ensuring higher engagement rates. The free version serves well for those just starting, while the premium features come in handy for advanced users who want to scale more efficiently. For promoting your channel, consider utilizing AI tools like Hootsuite for social media scheduling. This tool analyzes optimal posting times and engagement patterns, letting you reach a broader audience. It provides analytics to track how your content performs across different platforms, ensuring that your YouTube channel gains the visibility it deserves. Hootsuite's user-friendly interface makes it a solid choice for beginners. Another significant avenue is content personalization. Platforms like Rephrase. AI can create tailored video messages for your audience based on demographic data. This tool uses AI to generate engaging, personalized content that fosters a closer connection with viewers. Though the free version has limitations, the paid subscription offers an extensive array of customization options that can escalate viewer retention. Finally, don't overlook monetization through brand partnerships. Tools such as Channel Meta provide in-depth analysis of your audience demographics, making your channel more attractive to potential sponsors. With its free version, you can gather essential data, while the premium version gives you advanced analytics for serious creators aiming to increase their sponsorship deals. In conclusion, utilizing AI tools can significantly streamline the process of monetizing a YouTube channel, whether old or new. Start with free resources to familiarize yourself with the technology before investing in the paid versions as your channel grows. The journey of turning views into revenue is achievable with these intelligent solutions at your fingertips.